Hello, little friends. Let's learn about nature. Nature is all around us. Come, let's explore. This is our Earth. Nature is our home. Let's take care of it. This is planet Earth. It's the place where we all live. This is the sun. It gives us warmth and light. Look at the bright, shiny sun. It wakes up in the morning to light up our day and keep us warm. The sun helps plants grow, gives us energy, and makes the sky glow with beautiful colors. This is the moon, and those are stars. They shine at night. The moon lights up the sky, so it's not too dark. The stars twinkle like little lights, far, far away. It's like the sky is wearing a glittery blanket. This is a forest. A forest is a large area filled with many trees, plants, and animals. Look at the tall trees. They give us fresh air to breathe. Listen. Can you hear the birds singing? The forest is home to so many animals. Monkeys, deer, squirrels, and more. It's like a big, green playground for nature. This is a mountain. Mountains are tall, rocky, and beautiful. Look at the tall mountains. They reach up high, almost touching the clouds. Some have snow on top like a white hat. These are clouds. They float and bring rain. Look up. The clouds are floating in the sky like big, soft pillows. Some are fluffy and white, and some are gray when it's going to rain. Do you like playing in the rain? Oh, wait, you might catch a cold if you play in the rain. This is rain. Rain is water that falls from clouds in the sky. Look, a rainbow. It's full of colors. It's like the sky is painting with 7 beautiful colors. Wow, this is a waterfall. Water falls from the rocks and makes a cool splash. It's so much fun to play here. But always be safe around water. This is a river. Rivers are long streams of water that flow across the land. Rivers travel all the way to lakes or the big ocean. This is the ocean. Oceans are huge bodies of salty water that cover most of the earth. The ocean is like a giant swimming pool for sea animals. There are tiny fish, colorful corals, and giant whales. This is the beach with waves, sand, and shells. People love going to beaches to play, swim, and relax. This is a tree. Trees give us fruits, shade, and fresh air. Trees are homes for so many animals, birds, bees, butterflies, and even monkeys love to live in them. This is a farm. A farm is a place where people grow food and take care of animals. Farmers spray pesticides to keep bugs away from the plants. Farmers plant seeds, water the crops, and pick them when they are ready to eat. Fresh food comes from the farm to our plates. From mountains to seas, from forests to skies, nature is everywhere. Thank you for exploring with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time on Joyful Start. Bye-bye, little explorers.